There's one. We're on. Got him. Got him. There's one. Oh, that's a nice one too. Let's go. Woo! Not a bad fish on the Googan Bait Rattlin Ned. Why is it so dark?
Dude, I'm always tree. I'm always
Oh, that makes sense. I was wondering why it was so dark. It's because I am in the shade. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are here with two special guests. We got Tommy and we got Justin. You guys know them both. I fished with both of them before, and I'm gonna want to keep this quick because I know they want to start fishing. So I'm gonna grab my rods out of the car. These guys want to hop down. There's like a money drain behind us here, I think, or so they say. And we're gonna head on down there. We're gonna try to catch some fish, and we're gonna have a good day with these fellas. What's so funny? It's disgusting. Let me get in the sunlight so you can see me better. I do want to thank you guys so much for 9,900 subscribers. Well, you guys are watching this. We might have already hit the 10K mark. Not too sure because this will probably post in a few days. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be there. Did you just spook one? I'll show you guys the money pond behind me right here. It's very stained water, looking juicy. We all got frogs, we all got Ned rigs. And I'm gonna put this down. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below and let's go fishing. There's one. We're on. Yeah, baby, stay down. Oh, that's a nice one. The Rattlin Ned. Let's go! Woo! That's a good one. Hey, come on, man. I gotta blur that out. Ah, this is going crazy. Tommy's got two already. I just hooked into this nice, like 3-pounder. I'm gonna get my big camera out so I can show you guys. But yeah, it's getting nuts around here. We're all tossing the Ned rig. It's just kind of like a battle. We can get to the next spot to catch one, but we're gonna set up my big camera and we're gonna show you guys this fish right here, because that's a nice fish. Right in the top of the mouth, right where we wanted it. This right here is the first fish of the day for me. Probably like 3-pounder or so. Definitely a good fish. I'm gonna get a little picture with this guy and we're gonna put him back, but I'll show you guys what I caught him on. Caught this guy on the Googan Bait's Rattlin Ned PB&J color. Specifically picked this one up because it is murkier water and it's got that rattle in it too, which I really love for murky water because when you're fishing that murky water, fish can't see as well, but they can hear when there's a bunch of rattles in it. So good fish right here, and we're gonna put her back. Let's go. Am I zoomed in? Oh wow, she's ready to go. There she is right here. See if she can find her way out. Oh gosh, she's got it. It's kind of shallow right here. I don't think she found her way out. Oh. Nope, that's not it, Chief. I was trying to put you back, but you weren't cooperating. There she goes. All right, there she goes. That right there is fish number one, and we just got here. Now they moved all the way down the pond because they're trying to get to the first, the next spot to try to catch a fish off guard. Nonetheless, Tommy's got two. I got one that was pretty big. Didn't want to get away on it, but you know what? It's a good start today, boys. Rattlin Ned is the move, it seems like today, and let's catch some more fish. Huh? We did. There's one. Let's go. Come up here. Let's go, baby. Yes. Not a big one, but fish number two. Let's go. Swallowed that. Let me show you guys real quick. If I can get him up here. Definitely a small one. And he swallowed that Ned. We're going to get a little picture of that. He's actually blind in one eye. But not a bad fish. But it's my second fish of the day. Tommy's got like, what, 5?
I do.
This right here is fish number 2 of the day. Not a big one at all. And it's blind in one eye. But that was on the Googan Bait Rattlin Ned. I told you guys before, I switched it up to a smaller size Ned rig head than I usually use, and I was looking at it. It falls slower, the rattle's still kicking, and I think the bass are loving it, especially in the stained water, using that darker color. And not a bad fish, little guy, but we're gonna put her back, and hopefully we can keep getting bit. So let's go. We're just gonna toss her back. Boom, there she goes. That one actually caught me off guard. I was just talking to Justin and Tommy about like coho fishing or whatever. I was just leaving that one on the bottom actually. That one was just sitting there, and every once in a while I'll just pop it up so it kicks up some dust, rattles a little bit, and he just came out of nowhere and hit it. So right next to the bank, that was awesome, and hopefully we can get some more fish. That's fish number 2 for me on the day. Let's go.
Do you need this Ned rig bag after I fished with it?
No. I got more packs at home. There's a bass down there. Got him. Got him. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, I was flipping these reeds and I saw a bass tail. I was like, oh, there's a fish there. And then I just saw him turn.
Let's go.
It's not a bad one, baby, right? Right in the roof of the mouth. Yeah, should we use it for cut bait? He's kidding, obviously, guys. It's not a bad one. I'm gonna take a picture of that right in the top of the mouth. I was just flipping these, what are these? These aren't lily pads, are they? The whole bank's like kind of flat, but then right there, there's some grass sticking out. And right here, there's some grass sticking out. So I tossed my net in there. And when I was reeling in, he was just actually sitting right there next to that patch of grass. So that's what you want to look for when you're throwing, fish in the banks. But we're gonna get a picture of this guy. We're gonna put him back. Here's the fish, not a bad one. All right, we're gonna check the weight here. My scale wants to work. Here we go. I got one. We're gonna try it again, just to make sure it was right.
What was it?
It was 3 pounds 2 ounces. It said. Yeah, 3.2. All right, so 3 pounds 2 ounces, not a bad one. I'm gonna dip her in the water and actually get a quick picture with this guy. I've been lacking on the content today, but not a bad fish on the Googan Bait Rattlin Ned, and it's beauty. Is that Justin? Say it again. Yes, they do. Come on, I've caught some decent ones today so far. I've probably had 2 3-pounders if you think about it. I didn't weigh the first one, but it was definitely bigger than this. And I'll put her right back where I caught her. Not even kidding. I saw her tail. It could be a bed right here. I saw her tail, her sitting right here, and she turned out and slammed it. Fish was out of the water for a little bit. Always give him some water, put him back respectfully, and there she goes. That right there, fish number 3 for me on the day. First one, probably somewhere in the 3s, didn't get a weight. Second one, dink. Third one, that was a 3-pounder, and these guys are also catching a ton of fish. I think Tommy's like 5. Justin has like 2 or 3, but Justin's also using the Rattlin Ned and caught a couple on that. Nonetheless, good fish. I think we're gonna get out of here pretty soon. Probably just hit the rest of this bank, and then we'll dip. Yeah, let's catch some more fish. Let's go. You got one? Nice. There you go. On the Ned? Yeah. Bring it up here. I'll get the big camera out for that. Get some more content. Justin, throw in the Googan Bait Rattlin Ned. And look who doesn't have fish over here, and he's not throwing a Ned, huh?
Googan Bait! You spoke too soon.
Oh, you got one? Are you serious? The second I said that? Let's get the big camera out for that one. Justin, let's see yours, huh? Not a bad one on the peanut butter and jelly Rattlin Ned. That's who shed.
Rattle really gets them.
The Rattle does really get them. And there's Tommy's. I mean, I gave him that good mojo to get that one, but... And I'm just sitting over here like a dope with no fish.
So we'll release, you want it?
Yeah, go for it. Let's do it.
2, 3.
3. There you go. Boom, good fish, fellas. I think so. There's one. Right at the bank, dude. You see him come up and hit it? That was actually sick. Get up here. Let's go. Dude, literally right next to the bank, next to those sticks. He slammed the Rattlin Ned. Let's go. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Swallowed it. Should come out really quickly. But he just hammered that right next to the bank. I was kind of reeling in like at the last second really fast, and I just saw him come out of nowhere and just smack it. PB&J, Rattlin Ned, gets the fish, gets the job done.
Is that your new PB?
This is my new PB. Thank you for asking. Toss her back. Boom, there she goes. All right, here we go. There's one. There's another one. Let's go. Oh, he's stuck in all that crap. He's stuck in like 15 branches. Come on, get in here. Oh, he's stuck like crazy. There's like crap all over him. Let's go. Yeah. Bassing in the grass, baby. That was right where you said, right next to the tire. Justin said cast next to the tire. That was the cast after he slammed that Rattlin Ned. I'm shocked I'm catching fish here. I didn't think this place was that good, to be honest. But this one came at the side of a bunch of vegetation.
If you're tongue that bass's mouth.
No.
Do it.
All right, there she goes. All that grass came off with it. About the same size as the last one, not that big, but right in this grass. Boom, baby, let's get some more. $48.64. Oh, I just get bit. There's one. I got bit while I was trying to count out there. Get in here, boy. I'm gonna horse this one in. Tiny one. I'm trying to do some math out here. Am I gonna cross your line? God. Oh, not in the sticks, pal. Come on. Come on, here we go. Boom.
Oh.
Why you gotta yell that? Come on, man. The only thing you say. And he's got that right in the corner there. I was just leaving that one still because I was trying to count for Tommy here because he can't. And
So wait, what is it?
I don't know. Hold on. Just pull out your calculator. We're trying to figure something out. But anyways, smallest one of the day, and we're gonna toss it back. Here she goes. All right, well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And it was a fun time. Fished here, like I said, with Tommy and Justin. Had a good time. I think Tommy caught around 6 fish. Justin got about like 3, and I actually ended up catching 7 total. I think I caught 1 or 2 off camera when we were just hanging out near the end here, but it was pretty small. Like I said, all we did today was we just fished that first pond that was like murky water, and we used, actually all day, we used the Googan Bait's Rattlin Ned. This thing is money. Where is it? This thing right here, Googan Bait Rattlin Ned, is honestly so money. I mean, I think the rattle in it is a big difference maker, especially when you're fishing murkier water. You're gonna want that rattle. The bass are gonna hear it, they're gonna find your bait easier, and I caught the biggest fish today. Actually, two of my fish were the top 2 biggest fish of the day, and you know what? It came on the Rattlin Ned. So, can't complain. This bait put in the work today and caught me a lot of fish. Also, thank you guys so much for all the recent love and support. Like I said, I'm still posting once every 4 days has been the schedule for like the past month or so. We're gonna try to keep it rolling for as long as I can, I guess until school starts. Yeah, until then, we're gonna be doing videos every 4 days. Had a good day out here with the boys. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for all the recent love and support. If you guys are watching this, we are close to 10,000. But when you guys are watching this, we actually might be at 10,000. So if we are, thank you so much. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.